Okay, why do you need a pap smear? Nice question. Why do we need pap smears? So a pap smear is relatively easy for me to do as a female, for a female. Obviously, my female patients feel a lot more comfortable coming to me to do these tests. It's done once a year, and it is a quick test that has minimal discomfort. It's quite unnerving, I know, because it's done in the cervix through the vagina. But what we do is we actually use a speculum. So a speculum is shaped a bit like a duck's bill, and it's inserted into the vagina. Don't worry, we use a really small device, so it's not painful. If my patients are really comfortable and they are relaxed, it just is easy to use. The way these devices are made, they don't need lubricating or anything like in the past. They're not cold like the old steel ones that we used to have. And I use the disposables. So once I've used one, it's disposed of, so it's thrown away, and a new one is used on you on the next time or on a different patient. It's got a light that fits on, so it's easy for me to visualize the cervix. And what I do is I use a brush that's soft, and it feels like a baby's toothbrush. So that's what it feels like. And I swipe it across the cervix so it doesn't feel, there's no pain involved. So it's a brush that's just swept along the cervix, and it catches a few of the cells from the cervix, around the cervix, and that's what I send to the lab. So the tip of that brush breaks off. I stick it into some liquid that controls or protects it and keeps the cells intact. And that's what's sent to the lab. The lab then has a look at it, and they look for, why do we do a pap smear? They look for infection, like your whatever sorts of infections that you can get in your cervix, including fungal infections like your candidiasis. It looks for precancer cells, it looks for cancer cells. Now remember, precancer cells has the risk of becoming cancer. If we find those cells early enough, we can actually get rid of them. So the gynaes can do a bit of laser. We highlight the area with your dyes, and it can then be lasered out. So amazing, because then what happens is we laser out precancer cells without them becoming